Good morning, students. Now, the next concept, nature of the roots. This is called nature of the roots. Discriminant, that is delta. Simply for delta equal to b squared minus 4ac. And you know the formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a formula. And the inside of square root, b squared minus 4ac will be delta. This value becomes the nature of the roots. This value become more than 0. That means what? Positive means the roots are real and unequal. If it is equal to 0 means real and equal roots. If it is less than 0, that means what? Negative value coming, no real roots or unreal roots. This is the concept. One quadratic case is given. Discuss the nature of the roots. Find the nature of the roots. This type of question asking me. You will find b squared minus 4ac alone. If it is 0 means this answer. If it is positive means this answer. Negative means this answer. This is the area. Out of these three, any one will come. From the question, you want to guess the value of a, b, c. This is our quadratic equation mean the coefficient x squared is what? That is called a. The coefficient x is what? B. The constant is c. Already you know. After finding a, b, c, substitute here b squared minus 4ac formula. Substitute this in all the values in the formula. We get negative means one answer, positive means one answer, equal to 0 means one answer. Now this is a concept actually. This exercise concept only, this much concept only. The exercise 3.13. Some of the problem exercises and example problems are there. Try to complete this exercise. Now determine the nature of the roots for the following quadratic equation. This is the first question. What I told you, it implies the coefficient of x squared, that will be 15. The coefficient x is what? That is b 11. Last one is c. In this way, first guess the number. Suppose negative quantity, put the negative side. That's very important. Now consider delta equal to, this is the formula. B square, 11 square. Minus 4 into a is 15. C is 2. 11 square means 11 11s are 120. Multiply. Yeah. What is the answer? 2 into 15, 30. 30 into 4, 120. Equal to what? 1. It's always positive, greater than 0. So first formula. Am I right? What is the answer? The roots are, the equation have equation, EQEN, short form. Equation will have, equation has right answer. Equation has real and unequal roots. Otherwise, equation has, what is the okay? Positive means, first form I know, real and unequal roots. Real and unequal roots. This is the answer. This type of questions are important 2 mark question. You want to guess the A value, B value, C value, substitute there in the formula, substitute this formula. If it is positive, it will come with more than 0. The roots, the equation has real and unequal roots. Suppose negative means the equation has unreal roots or no real roots. If it is exactly 0 will come in, equation has the roots are real and equal. This is the idea. First problem over. Now substitute to x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. No? What I told you, it implies a equal to the coefficient x square is what? 1. B equal to what? The coefficient x is what? Minus 1. C equal to what? Last term. Okay. Now what is the formula? Delta equal to b square minus 4 is the formula. Now b square minus 1 whole square. Minus 4 into a is 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is what? Plus 1. Minus into minus plus 4 rows are 4. Again 1, 4 rows are 4. Equal to 5. What I told you, this current is 0. Therefore, the equation has real and unequal roots. Real and unequal roots. This answer. This is what idea? This is the answer. Guess the value A, B, C. Substitute all the value in the formula. If it is positive means one answer, negative means one answer, equal to one answer. Here also quadratic equation. Second question. The coefficient of t square, that is root 2. B equal to what? Minus 3. C equal to what? 3 root 2. Am I right? Now write the formula. This is the formula. B square minus 3 whole square minus 4 into root 2 into 3 root 2. Minus 3 whole square is what? 9. 3 is 9. Minus, you want to multiply the number with number. 4 3 are 12. Into root 2 into root 2. What I told you? Root 2 into root 2 whole square. For square root and square cancel, only 2. Therefore 9 minus 24. You got what? Minus 15. This is less than 0. Negative means below 0. Therefore the equation have the equation as real and unreal roots, or otherwise no real roots. Unreal roots or no real roots for the same meaning. Similarly, one more question, last question, the fourth question. Coefficient of y square is what? That is y, 9. A equal to 9, B equal to minus 6 root 2, C equal to 2. The same formula, B square minus 4AC equal to, substitute all the way again. B square, B is what? Minus 6 root 2 whole square. Minus 4 into A is 9, C is 2. Now already told you, the minus is minus plus 6 square. 6 square means 36. Bracket. The root 2 times square means only 2. Minus, multiply. 4 nines are 36. 36 into 72. 72, here also 72, here also 72. Therefore, 0. Exact 0 is not. Therefore, the equation has real and equal. Real and equals. That's all. Only 2 more question. Small idea. Formula. Very simple formula. B square minus 4AC. Substitute all the value. After we get negative means unreal. Positive means real and equal. 0 means real and equal. In this way, you write the answer. That's all. Now, fourth question. 9a square b square x square minus 24 a b c d x 16 d square d c square d square equal to 0. A not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. This condition is given. What I told you? A equal to the coefficient x square, no? 9a square b square. Usually, here small a, small b, small c, no? Here also already a, b is involved. That's why you put capital C, capital. Then capital B equal to what? The coefficient x is what? Minus 24 a, b, c. Then capital C is what? 16 c square d square. Now what is the formula? Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Numbers are involved in small a, small b, small c. But already numbers a, b involved. For small a, formula also involved. Question also involved. That's why you will change the formula. Capital A, capital B, rather than capital A, capital B, capital C. Formula also in terms of capital B square minus 4 capital C. Now substitute here. Minus 24 a, b, c, d whole square minus 4 into a is what? 9a square b square. Next c is what? 16 c square d square. Now minus whole square is plus 24 whole square. 24 whole square means what? 24 into 24. Am I right? 24 sir. What is the answer? You want to multiply 24 into 24, 576. Multiply what? 24 into 24, 576. Already told you the minus figure plus 24 square means 576. A having square, B having square, C having square, D also having square. Am I right? The whole square, B value is what? This whole thing. Square means the whole square. The negative square is minus plus 24 square, 576. A square, B square, C square, D square minus. Now multiply number 4 9s are 36. 36 and 16, 576. Multiply. Then A square, B square, C square, D square. Okay. By chance, both are equal. Am I right? No, both are equal. In between minus is there. That is 0. Therefore, the equation as roots are equals. Real and equals. Real and equals. Am I right? Equal is real and equal. Positive means real and equal. In the same way. Next submission, the next question, two questions, second question, the same type of question only. Find the values. Find the values of sometimes k value only one value will come. Values will what is the name? Two values are maybe come. For if the roots of the following equations are real and equal, the condition is real and equal is given. If the roots are real and equal, then what is left? K. This is also the same thing only. What I told you, A, 5k minus 6. Am I right? B, 2k. The co-equation is what? 2k. C is 4. In this way, first case the value of A, B, C. Now, what is given? Since the what is given? What is given? The roots are real and equal. Given roots are real and equal. What is the formula? Delta equal to B is the formula. What is delta? B square minus 4AC equal to the formula. Am I right? Roots are real and equal mean delta becomes 0. That is the rule. But delta value is what? B square minus 4AC formula. Substitute here B square 2k whole square and 4 into 5k minus 6 into C is what 1. 2k whole square means 4k square minus 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20k. Again 4 ones are 4 and the minus there, here also minus there. Minus plus say 4 into 6 say 24. Now divide by 4. K square minus 5k plus 6 equal to previous area. Product of two number is 6. Sum of the number is 5. Am I right? Minus 5. What are number? 1 into minus 6. Am I right? Actually, what is the answer? 1 into minus 6 means multiply. We get only plus 6. That's why not possible. 2 3s are 6. Adding both, we will get 5. But we need minus 5. That's why minus 5. Now multiply both plus 6. Adding both minus 5. So your answer is k is equal to k minus 2, k minus 3 equal to 0. But that right answer, k equal to k minus 2 equal to 0 mean k equal to, am I right? K minus 3 equal to 0 mean k equal to 3. That right answer. This is the answer. This type of question, 2 mark question, some lengthy calculation will come in, that is 5 mark question. In this exercise, important 5 mark question also is there. Concept same, but it calculations are somewhat lengthy. That's all. Easy concept, the roots are real and equal is given. Delta 0, B square minus 4 is 0. Substitute all the value from this area, you will find the k. That's all. Now next question, same type of question. You find the value of k if the roots are real and equal is given. Now what is A? A equal to the co-equal x square is what? K. B equal to 6k plus 2. C equal to 16. What is given? Given the roots are real and equal is given. Formula for this one is delta equal to 0. That is what? B square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now substitute all the value. B square 6k plus 2 whole square. 4 into A is what? K. C is what? 16 equal to 0. Now in this of the form, A plus B whole square. What is the formula? A square. That means what? 6k whole square. B square 2 square plus 2 into A into B. Am I right? Minus multiply 64k. Already k is there. You want my number with the number 64. Now square is 1, 6 square, 36, k square. This is 4. Multiply, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 24. K already sir, 24k, here minus 64k. So 36k square. Next you want to combine this number, minus 40k plus 4. Already told you, here all the numbers are, so 4 is common. Am I correct? For 9k square minus 10k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation k. Solving this equation, we get the value for k. Therefore, solving product of two numbers is what? 9. Sum of the numbers is what? Minus 10. What are the possibilities? 1 tens are, 1 nines are 9. Multiply both, 9 will come. But adding both, 1 10 will come. But if you add minus 10, that's why put minus 10. Now check yourself, minus plus 1 nines are 9. Adding both, minus 1, minus 10, minus 10. Now in front of k square 9 is no, divided by 9. Minus 1 by 9, minus 9 by 9. Cancel no? Your answer is 9k minus 1 into k minus 1 equal to 0. 9k minus 1 equal to 0 means 9k equal to 1, k equal to 1 by 9. First answer. In this way, k minus 1 equal to 0, by k equal to 1. Second answer. This answer. This type of problem, 2 mark only. Some lengthy calculus will come in, sometimes 5 mark question. Now listen here. Exercise 3.13, third problem, 5 mark question. If the roots of the equation a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a equal to 0 are real and equal mean, then prove that b, a, c are in arithmetic progression. You want to prove the answer actually. Now, arithmetic progression means what result is that if b, a, c are in arithmetic progression, then what is the formula? A equal to b plus c by 2. That means what? The middle term is equal to the average of 2. That means what? B plus c by 2. Adding both divided by 2. This is the formula. Middle term is equal to sum of the first and last term divided by 2 means, then the terms are arithmetic progression. Now what do you want to prove? B, a, c are arithmetic progression means you will prove a equal to b plus c by 2. Automatically then b, a, c are arithmetic progression. Am I right? And also by using this problem, solve this problem, we must know this formula also. Quadratic formula. What is the formula? A plus b plus c whole square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Formula is very important formula. 3 times a plus b plus c whole square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula. By using this formula and this area, this question. Now, what is given actually? What is given equation? The given equations are a minus b is x square, b minus c is x, c minus a equal to 2. Already small a small b involving, that's why you will assume capital A equal to a minus b, capital B equal to b minus c, capital C equal to c minus a. Am I correct? What is given actually? Given the roots are real and equal. Clearly given. What is given? To the real and equal is given. What is the formula? It implies delta equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Am I right? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now substitute all the value. B square. B is what? B minus c whole square. Minus 4 into A. A is what? A minus B. C is what? C minus C equal to 0. Now, it is the form B minus C whole square. What is the formula? First term B square plus C square minus 2BC. Am I correct? A minus C whole square means what is the formula? A square plus B square minus 2B. Here, B minus C whole square means B square plus C square minus 2BC. Minus 4 into bracket. Now multiply A with C, AC. A with A, what is minus A square. Then B with C minus BC. Okay? Minus and minus plus BA, that's AB. Okay? BA means AB equal to the B with the A, that's BA. You wanted AB in order. Now, outside the bracket, close the bracket, here minus 4 is wrong. This minus 4 is multiplied to all the terms. That's important. Am I right? Minus 4 is common to all the terms. That's why once again the same term. Multiply 4 minus 4AC plus 4A square plus 4BC minus 4AB equal to 0. Now, these two terms are covered together. Again, this is also 4BC to minus 2BC. Remaining terms are not like terms. Like term means the same term, no? BC got it. 4BC minus 2BC. Remaining quantity are unlike terms. Addition and subtraction is not possible. That's why you want to write in order. Already told you, no? First 4A square plus B square plus C square. Then AB term. What is AB term? Minus 4AB. Then BC term. Combine this two. What is the answer? 4BC minus 2BC plus 2BC. Last one is what? Last one is minus 4AC. Now in this of the form, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. In this way. Am I right? So 2BC means P term and C term only positive term. But here, the A only negative term. So say, this combined together, minus 2A plus B plus C whole square equal to 0. Now, expansion, first term A square, the formula, use this formula. What is the formula? 3 term whole square means first term square, second term square, plus third term square. Then 2 into first two term. Then 2 into second and last term. 2 into first and last term. In this is the formula actually. Now expand this one. 2 minus 2A whole square, that is 4A square. B square, C square. Next 2 into minus 2A into B is minus 4A. Then 2 into B into C is 2. Last one is what? 2 into minus 2A into C, that is minus 4AC. The whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms together minus 2A plus B plus C whole square. I use the previous here. Please follow. Now the square no automatically minus 2A plus B plus C equal to actually already told you if square what mean root square mean plus or by root of 0 will come. Here is 0 only. That is 0 only. Am I right? Root of take a square root means square root cancel. That's it. Root of 0 0 only. Now, what is the answer? Here, minus 2A or otherwise B plus C equal to 2A. Am I right? Therefore, we want A, no? A equal to cross multiply B plus C by 2. That means what? B, comma, this is B, comma, A, comma, the middle term, that is middle term A. Remainder B and C are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. This is important 5%. Question given, answer given, the condition also mentioned clearly. Real roots, equal real roots. That's why this type of question is very important 5%. Once again, go through everything. I want to explain everything. The co-efficient x squared, that is A. The co-efficient x is what? B. Last constant C minus A. Given roots are A and equal. Write the formula B squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Substitute B value, A value, C value. Now it is of the form A minus B whole square. Just on and multiplication, then multiply 4 minus 4. After simplify, you write in order A square, B square, C square. Then A, B, B, C, C, A. In this way, you want to write. Now the whole term it is of the form formula minus 2A plus B plus C whole square. Why are you putting minus? Because the A is not minus. A is not minus. The remaining B, C put a positive. That's why I am putting minus. Next one is the same term will come. Next up, the square will be removed. Therefore, here B plus C equal to 2A. We want A now cross multiply to A equal to B plus C by 2. Already note clearly given. If A equal to B plus C by 2 means B, comma A, comma C are in arithmetic progression. Important 5%. That's all. Now exercise 3.13. Fourth question. This is also 5%. If A and B are real number actually, then show that the roots of the equation A minus B x square minus 6 into a plus b into x minus 9 into a minus b equals 0 are real and unequal. You want to prove real and unequal. What do you want to prove? Previous question, proofs are real and equal is given. You will prove some other answer. But here, you will prove real and unequal. You must prove delta equal to positive. That means the greater than 0. That's all. Now consider a, small a, small b, no, that's why consider capital A equal to a minus b. Capital B minus 6 into a plus b. Capital C 9 into a minus b. Already told you the coefficient is x square. The coefficient of x actually. Am I right? Coefficient is what? Minus 6 into a plus b. Without x is what? Minus 9 into a minus b. Let's see. Now you will consider delta. You will find delta. The delta is more than 0. That is positive. Substitute here. Minus 6 into a plus b whole square. Minus 4 into a is a minus b. Again, c is what? Minus 9 into a minus b. This is our multiplication. Am I right? Now, minus 6 whole square is what? Minus 6 whole square is what? Minus plus 6 square. That is 36. 36 into a plus b whole square. Minus, here minus no? Minus into minus plus 4 nines are 36. Minus into minus plus 4 nines are 36. A minus b into a minus b. A minus b whole square. Am I correct? Am I correct? Here minus 4, here minus 9. That's why minus into minus plus 4 nines are 36. Already a minus b, here also a minus b, a minus b whole square. Out of these two terms, 36 is common. What is the remaining term? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Now already you know the formula. A plus b whole square, what is the formula? A square, b square, 2a. A plus c square. And it is also a minus b also no? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. Am I correct? The minus 2ab plus 10 cancel. Now what is both? 36 into a square plus a square 2a square. B square plus b square 2b square. 36 into here out of these two terms 2 is common. Remaining term a square plus b square. Multiply both. 72 into a square plus b square. It's always positive. What is the reason? Suppose a will be negative, b will be negative. Suppose squaring, both are positive. Adding both positive. Multiply 72 to positive. That's why automatically the definitely positive will come. That is more than 0 will come. Therefore, hence roots are real and unequal. But if I was saying, only simplification. You must know the formula and substitute the value and simplify, you get the answer. That's all. Next exercise 3.13, fifth question. This is also final question. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0 are real and equal. This is a condition given. Prove that this is the answer. Is a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 equal to 3abc. That is the given equation. Now already small a small b not enough. That's why capital A is equal to c square minus ab. Okay? Capital B equal to minus 2 into a square minus bc. Coefficient x. The last one is what? C. B square minus AC. Now what is given? Given the roots are real and equal is given. What is the formula? Delta equal to 0. Delta is what? B square minus 4AC equal to 0. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Am I correct? Now substitute all the value. B square. B is what? B equal what? Minus 2 into A square minus BC. Minus 2 into A square minus BC. A square minus BC. Am I correct? Minus 2 into, actually delta 0 means, what is the formula? Delta 0 means B square minus 4AC equal to this formula. B is what? Minus 2 into A square minus BC whole square. Minus 4 into A is what? C square minus AC. Baby. Into C is what? B square minus AC. Am I correct? This is capital C. Am I correct? This is capital C. Now, minus 2 whole square now. This whole square means minus 2 having square and A square minus BC also square. For 2 square is 4 into A square minus BC whole square. Minus 4 into put the bracket and I told you multiply. On division. C square into B square, that is B square C square. Am I correct? Then multiply this two. C square into minus AC minus A into C power 3. Am I correct? Next, sorry. Minus A into B into B square, that is BQ. Minus into minus plus A into A square plus B into C BC. Now, in both the term, here 4 common now divided before. Divided before, for 4 will be cancelled. Without 4, A square minus 4 is equal to none. It is of the form A square whole square. Am I correct? Plus BC whole square minus 2 into A square into BC. Am I correct? It is of the form A minus B whole square. That's why first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second. Already 4 cancelled. Am I correct? Divided by 4 means 4 cancelled. The only minus is there. This minus is multiplied all the terms. That's very important. 4 is cancelled. Minus is there. That minus is common to all the term. That's why the minus is multiplied. All the term is minus. 4 cancelled. That's important. Divided by 4 means 4 should be cancelled. Only minus is there. Minus into B square C square. Am I correct? Next, minus into plus A into C power 3. Next, plus A into B power 3 minus A square BC equal to 3. Am I correct? Very important. Now simplify A power 4. Next, BC whole square means B square C square. Or otherwise, this is the direct right answer. This is E square. 4 cancel. A square is A square whole square is A power 4 plus A minus B equals to formula A square first term square plus second term square BC square is B square C square minus 2 into A square BC. In this way, directly right answer. That one easy one. Now write in order. What I told you? First A power 4. Next is what? A into B power. A into B power 3. Next. Now common terms should be combined, you know. What are the common terms? This will be cancelled. What is the common term? A square BC, no? Here also A square BC. Am I correct? Next is what? A B cube, A C cube. Am I correct? Combine this to minus 3 A square BC. In all the terms are having A is common. In A power 4, A diagonal side means A cube will come. A B cube, A diagonal side means only B cube. Here C cube. Here out of A square only A diagonal side, no? Only A will be 3 A B C. Already know A into something. That is what? Product of A into this one. Product of two term means either the first term 0 or second is what? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC 0. That is the answer. Therefore, either A equal to 0 or A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to the minus ABC coming inside. ABC 3x equal to 3x. That is the answer. You want to prove the answer. Only simplification. Write the formula clearly. Just multiply. You got a 5 more question? Now one example problem, example 3.43, 5 more question. Prove that the equation x square into b square plus c square plus 2x into br plus qs plus r square x square equal to 0. This equation has no real roots. First subdivision, first part. No real roots means you will find delta, that means what, b square minus 4ac, you will get negative answer. Then the roots are no real. First part over. Substitute the value pq and qr will be equal means you will prove real and equal. Real and equal means what? Delta becomes 0. Substitute pq equal to r, qr, automatically delta becomes 0, therefore roots are real and equal. First is roots are unreal or no real, that means what? And the delta is equal to negative value. Now the same concept, from the equation you want to guess the value of p, a, b, c. Am I right? Here, the go in x square is what? P square plus q square. The go in x is 2 is there, this also is there. 2 into pr plus qs. The last one is r square plus s square. Now, what I told you, consider delta, p square minus 4ac. Substitute all the value equal to b square 2 into pr plus qs whole square minus 4 into a is what? B square plus q square into r square plus s square 4ac. Now it is at the form 2. Actually 2 into something, no? The whole square. Am I right? B square. Now square of this one is what? 4. Square of this 4. It is of the form, what I told you? Once again, one right. Br plus qs whole square. Am I right? 2 having square, that is 4. This is having square. Minus 4 into, now multiply p square r square. Just order multiplication plus p square into s square plus q square into r square. The last one, q square into s square. In this way, order multiplication. Now the 4, you know, 4 is common diagonal. The previous problem 4 should be cancelled, divide. What is the reason? Some term is equal to 0 is given. That's why divide by 4. But here equal to 0 is not given. That's why 4 then also. Now in this of the form a plus b whole square, a square, that means what? Pr square is p square r square. Am I right? Plus first term square, next term qs no, q square s square plus 2 into first term into second term pr qs. Now the 4 already taken one side. The remaining is what? Only minus is there. Now multiply minus here. All the 4 terms, what is the answer? Minus p square r square, minus b square s square, minus q square r square, minus q square s square. Am I correct? Close up. Now this should be cancelled. This is also cancelled. After the cancellation, what is the remainder? 4 into now minus qr square, q square r square minus here. Sorry, the q square s square only comes down. The remainder is what here? P square s square is P square s square. That's why first time is what? P square s square. Next minus q square r square plus 2 r plus s. Now you want to simplify, that's why the minus is taken on side. Minus 4, am I right? Automatically plus will come. Here also plus will come. But here minus will come. Now it is of the form a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. What is the formula? A minus b whole square. Here a is what? Ps. B is what? Qr. Ps minus Qr whole square. Now, this is actually what? PQ minus QR. The whatever may be the squaring, this one, square no, automatically positive will come. But here negative is there. Positive to negative, negative plus less than 0. Therefore, hence the roots are no real. First answer over. Now when PS equal to QR, already you know. Next condition. When PS equal to QR means what is the answer? Delta equal to minus 4 into PS equal to what? QR, no? QR minus QR whole square. That is what? Minus 4 into 0 square. That is 0. But delta 0 means what? What you want to prove? The roots are real and unequal, no? Therefore, hence the roots are real and equal. First part, you want to prove negative. Next part, if it is this will be equal means you will prove it delta. That already coming. This also 5 mark question. Anyway, the outputs are involved in do the calculus sincerely. The minus plus what a condition will come. Now it is here 3.42 2 mark question. Subdivision, do yourself. The example problem, refer the book. I did all the exercise problem. Already told you know. I will solve all the exercise problem, some of the example problem. The remaining problem, example problem, do yourself. 3.42 2 mark question. Second subdivision. First is the ordinary concept. That's why you do. Second is somewhat different idea. Find the values of k such that the quadratic equation k plus 9 into x square plus k plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0 has no real roots. Now the same concept. What is a? A equal to k plus 9. B is what? K plus 1. Am I right? C equal to only 1. Now, see what is given? What is given? The equation has no real roots. No real roots. That means what? Already told you know. Delta always less than 0. Am I right? No real root less than 0. Negative will come. Now, delta is what? B square minus 4AC less than 0. Not equal to 0. Roots are real equal means equal to 0. Is no real or unreal means no real root or unreal root means less than 0. Formula is b square minus 4ac. Now substitute all the value. B square is k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into k plus 9 into c is what? 1. Equal to, again less than 0, not equal. Now it is of the form a plus b was now a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 also 4. Multiply 4 into k minus 4k minus 4 into 9 minus 36 plus 30. Again write in order k square here minus 3k. Now this is correct minus 35 plus 30. Product of 2 number 35 minus 35. Sum of the number minus 3. You want to guess. Product of 2 number is minus 35. Sum of the 2 number is minus what is the answer? 2k minus 4k no? Minus 2k minus 2. What are number? 2k minus 4k minus 2k. Product of the 2 number is minus 35. Sum of the number is minus 2. 7 paisa 35. Here minus you not know. That's why you will put minus here or here. But sum of the number is minus, you not put in minus here. Then only 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. Multiply about minus 3. So your answer is k minus 7, k plus 5 less than 3. Am I right? Factorize, you get the answer. Now, if it is equal to 0, what is the answer? 7 minus 5 is the answer. But less than, you know, that means the k value lies between minus 5 and plus 7. Change sign plus 7, change sign minus 5. If it is equal to 0, your answer is exactly k equal to 7 minus 5 is the answer. But less than 0 means this is important idea. Different idea. This is the idea involving this only one problem. That's why important more question. Less than 0 means the k lies between small number to big number. What is small number? Minus 5 less than k is what? Big number. That's all. Am I correct? Minus plus 7, minus 5. But lies between me, small number to bigger number. Minus 5, less than k, less than 5. This is the answer. But k is lies between minus 5 and 7. That is the answer. Number 2 more question. This exercise already, all the problems are over. Already told you, I did all the exercise problem and important example problem also. 3 or 4 questions are example problem. Do yourself.